In this problem, what we're going to do is we're going to solve this particular equation. It's a math Olympiad problem where you have to find the value of x given this particular equation. There is a solution available on YouTube for finding the value of x, but we're taking an alternative approach, and you be the judge if this is a better approach or is a very similar approach or maybe a worse approach. But let's go and solve it by using the log function. So since there's a 3 here and a 9 here, I think it might be a good idea to use log to the base 3. So if we use log to the base 3 of the left side and log to the base 3 of the right side, we get this. So now this one will be just x, and this one will be 9 log 3 base x. Now this does not take us any closer to the solution, but what we are finding out here is that maybe if we understand, or maybe if we have an intuition that x will be some power of 3, let's choose x equal to 3 raised power n. So if we have 3 raised power n, so then this equation right here becomes 3 raised power n is equal to 9 log base 3 raised power n. And this gives us 3 raised power n is equal to 9 times n, because log of 3 raised power n will be just n. Now what we have to see is that, hey, what value of n will satisfy this particular equation? If we choose n equal to 1, we get 3 raised power 1 is equal to 9 times 1. So that's not true. If we choose n equal to 2, we get 3 raised power 2 is equal to 9 times 2. That's also not true, because 9 is not same as 18. But if we choose n equal to 3, we get 3 raised power 3 is equal to 9 times 3. And that is 27 equal to 27. So that is fine. So that means that n is equal to 3 is a solution. But x is defined as 3 raised power n, or assumed to be 3 raised power n. So you get 3 raised power 3, and that is 27. So x equal to 27 is the solution to this problem. So let me know if this is a simpler way of solving this problem, or a more intuitive way, or a less intuitive way of solving the same problem. The alternate solution, which is given on YouTube, is in the description, so you can compare and contrast. And that's the end of this segment.